Hey, it's Thor. Welcome to the channel. Want to show you a little project I've been working on. As you can see, it's a little R2 here. This is a FanHome kit from Disney from around 2021. He can do a whole bunch of random little features. Going to show you a few of them. He can rotate his head. He can turn on his little LCDs on the front. He has a little camera here for automated mode, and he can also look around himself. Has his little arms that come out. He can randomly give different phrases to you, however he feels, but sometimes will ignore your requests and commands. He also has a built-in lightsaber from the third movie right here that can pop out and fully remove, a little miniature one. And it can go right back in. And then it can actually drop back down in and hide away. He can also actually move in a fair distance, so he can actually move forward if he wants to. Ah, there he goes. We're going to go into a little montage of photos and a few videos of the build process. It was kind of hard to videotape a lot of the build process for all the intricacies. Sorry. Yeah, thanks. And then we'll get back and do a little sign-off. Hopefully you liked the montage. I did. Hopefully R2 did. This actually belongs to the immortal John Hancock. It's going to be sent out soon, and you'll get to see him again on his channel, and possibly at conventions if he brings him along. For now, hopefully you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Want to say goodbye, R2?